I'm a therapist working in the NHS as part of a psychology and psychotherapy service for adults with severe mental health problems. I was already qualified in drama therapy and environmental arts therapy when I chose to do the foundation certificate at the London Centre for Psychodrama. While I was originally only intending to do the certificate year as continued professional development, the quality of teaching was so outstanding and the method of psychodrama so powerful, I had to have more. I'm now in the second year of the qualifying diploma course and loving every minute of it. The course is rooted in the incredible work of the psychiatrist J.L. Moreno, emphasising spontaneity, creativity, action and encounter. But it contextualises psychodrama too within the broader fields of psychology and psychotherapy by providing an in-depth exploration of other theories and practices, making this course a truly robust and integrative psychotherapy training. It has brought a richness to my practice as a psychotherapist and to my own personal development that I could not have imagined. At a recent training weekend, I had my first experience of directing when I led the warm-up to a classical psychodrama. After a year of training, it was a big step to say the least. I used a mythological story with a strong symbolic theme relating to the dynamics in the group in order to help the group warm up to their feelings and become ready to take part in the psychodrama. It was a successful warm-up and a powerful psychodrama followed. This could have been a nerve-wracking experience for me, but I really felt supported by the guidance of the trainers and by my growing understanding of the theories that underpin this way of working. I'm excited to take the next steps on my journey to becoming a psychodrama psychotherapist. If you are interested in taking the first steps on this journey too, the London Centre for Psychodrama is now accepting new applicants. Whether you're hoping to do the full training, the foundation year, or just a weekend of continued professional development, please go to londoncenterforpsychodrama.org for more information.